Hello, everybody. Um, had an idea that I wanted to share with everybody, uh, based on just some very simple math. And by the way, if I'm wrong about any of this, feel free to comment or weigh in on it. Now, a couple days ago, I had an idea for a reactor that could be 3D printed. Uh, and I'm going to give you an idea how this reactor works. If you look at this center chamber right here, this is the diameter of a pop can plus about 1/100 of an inch, so it's going to fit in there pretty snug. This first chamber right here, you dump a little bit of Works toilet bowl cleaner or some other, that's just a convenient source of sulfuric acid. And this third chamber here is a water column filter. Now, the way this works is pretty simple. You put your can in here, you fill it full of the toilet bowl cleaner. Essentially, what you're doing, you're making the old time Works toilet, it's called a Works bomb. Except the thing is, you really don't want it to blow up. That would be kind of counterintuitive to your goals here, with what you're trying to do with the project. But at any rate, there's a little channel on the bottom here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move this around a little bit. But a little bit of that cleaner goes into the bottom and very slowly eats away at that can. The gas comes up here, goes into this channel, down this slot, and bubbles up through this. Now, what this chamber is for, it's full of a caustic liquid of some kind. It could be something as simple as some water and some baking soda. What would happen is, what would come out of this would be hydrogen. It would be a source of hydrogen. Pretty simple. Now, an aluminum can, being that it's an anhydrous metal, is the energy equivalent of a gallon of gasoline. So, what this reactor would be doing in a nutshell is, if your car gets 30 miles to the gallon, well, a scrap aluminum can, worst case scenario, is about 15 cents worth of aluminum. Some places at scrap value, you're only going to get maybe a nickel. So if we multiply that nickel or divide the current price of gas by whatever a nickel is, you can see where I'm going with this. This would be a very cheap way to get down the road. Now, you wouldn't have much rationalization to do this in the current economic, because, let's face it, this is a really dirty way to extract hydrogen from a source. But let's say you lived in a post-apocalyptic or a depression type economy. Well, then this might become a little bit more viable. Because what this would be doing, you're going to have a bunch of people scrounging whatever they can that has any value just to eat every day. So this would reduce the supply of aluminum, and henceforth make the value go up. So now you have some type of basis for making an economy work. But anyway, I'm going to deviate too far off of the point I was trying to make here. You make a device like this, you have an alternative to gasoline if there's no gasoline available. Plus, you have something that is really cheap to operate, and you've got an alternative. You don't have to, sit and wonder how you're gonna move about. But also, this could be coupled with some kind of system. There are series hybrid diesel engine cars that exist. And it wouldn't take a lot of effort to find this on another YouTube channel. But they get 200 miles per gallon of diesel. Now, if you got a fuel generator like this, now that model just became a whole lot cheaper to operate. But At any rate, at some point when I get this worked out, I'm going to actually have to 3D print this and test it. But it's an idea I wanted to share with you before I got to that point. At any rate, I'm going to wind it up. If you have any thoughts, questions, comments, things you think I'm wrong about, just go ahead and leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching.